Hello, and welcome to this week's Tips and Tricks video hosted by Navigator within SAP Business One. As an administrator, it's common for me over time with working in the system to have a lot of screens populated. For example, I always check my open items list to see orders that need to be fulfilled, as well as sometimes I want to view the customer record information. After viewing the customer record information, sometimes this drives into checking their overall analysis report. Here I have the ability to view order information as well as get into a granular level by viewing the relationship map and checking the invoice that has been paid. I also like to view the journal entry of the accounts that have been posted to double check if they're correct. To get back into my cockpit, it's a lot of exiting out of the screen, which happens to be an inefficiency with my every day-to-day process. If I do the same thing by pulling up those multiple screens, I have the ability with one click to get back to my cockpit to drive my next operation. By populating some screens for this example, you can see how nice this new tips and tricks is. I'm now on my journal entry screen, and instead of having 8 clicks to get back into my cockpit, I can hold the shift button down on my keyboard and click the X button, and it'll take me back to my cockpit. From there, I can pull up a sales quotation if a customer calls in from a sales quotation or proceed to my next action item. This concludes my video. Thank you for listening.